Hello, 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 Investy Besties. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shalise. I am an investor. I love investing. I'm not a financial advisor, though, or fiduciary. I just am an investor. What I always say, I'm in the trenches like you. You're not going to see my face today. If you did not know, my husband and I are recovering from Rona. Actually, he tested negative recently, so he's in the clear. He actually went back to work. And I am about to test, and I believe I'm negative too because it seemed like it just came and went. So thank God for that. Thank you for all of your prayers, the emails. Oh my goodness, the emails, the comments under my videos, the DMs over on Instagram. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. But yeah, you won't see my face today or in the next video. I'm going to try to sit here and make 2 videos while I have the time and, while I'm feeling good. Also, beware of scammers and all that, fake pages. I only am active here on YouTube and Instagram. So, our investing plan for the month of November, right? Like 2 months left in 2024. 2 months. It's crazy, but I have been making these investment planning videos for a couple years, so I'm not new to this. I really have this habit down packed. And one of the reasons why I love it is because it helps us to stay focused on all those goals we made back in January. We are still staying focused on our goals. I will have a 2025 financial goals video out in November. I will also have a 2025 investment planning and goals video out in November. So it's going to be a lot of good stuff coming this month with a huge reveal that I will talk about later in this video. But let's start. We're in the month of November, starting tomorrow, of course, and we plan to invest about $2,500. This is extra money, so we do max out the 401k and the Roths. The backdoor Roth is done. I just got to sit and make that video. It will be out. I'm thinking probably in a few weeks. I'm just being honest with y'all. It takes more to make that type of video because it is the backdoor. So I have to pull different clips. I have to pull up the account. It's just a lot. So bear with me with that. And we do max out the HSA, my husband and I. We do have multiple sources of income and we have a high savings rate. That is so important. Okay. So $2,500 after all of that. So let's talk about our money goals for the month. So we have 3. And keep in mind, this worksheet, this monthly investing planning tracker worksheet that I did create, I did revamp it a little bit for 2025. You will see that in the announcement that I will talk about in a few minutes in this video. So like I said, our money goals for the month, we want to buy 10 shares of SCHG. Now, I did make a video talking about the splits with some of the Schwab ETFs. Just scroll back. You'll see it in the thumbnail. I'm talking about what happened, why it happened, our goals, our overall goals for SCHG and SCHD. But for November, we're going to buy our 10 shares. The second goal is to invest $10 every week. So I did do that this week. And I'm going to pull up the Robinhood account as well in this video. So you will see that. And the third money goal for November is to finalize our 2025 investing goals. So like I said, there will be a video, but I think we have what we want to do down. I'm going to keep it a little bit simpler and maybe focus on 3 ETFs and 2 individual stocks. And if we do get our share size goal in these, we'll just move on to something else. We have a watch list. So, it's just having a strategy so that we can build up our shares. That's important. And then move on to something else. Okay. If we want to. Coming down to pre-tax investing and after-tax investing. So like I mentioned, the 401k, that is maxed out. We do get a match. I suggest, again, not financial advice, but any financial advisor, fiduciary, anyone will tell you to take advantage of any type of employer-sponsored account, whether it's a 401k, a 457, a 403b. Take advantage of a match. It is free money. Even if you don't max it out, at least just max it out to the match, like try to meet the match, if that makes sense. And then of course, like the HSA, my husband's company actually puts a little bit of money in towards our HSA. I know some people's companies meet like half of it. So again, I really do like the HSA. It's a triple tax benefit. I need to do an update on ours. It's been a minute. And then Of course, the Roth IRA as well. We did complete the backdoor. I have to sit and make a video about that. So, like I said, stay tuned. That is coming. It's just more time consuming. And right now my time is a little bit tight. And then, of course, investing from MT and any side hustles. And then after tax investing, the investing challenge. So shout out to all of you who've been doing this investing challenge. I put a poll up, whatever the majority picks. That is the pick. It's an ETF every quarter. For this quarter, the final quarter of the year, it is SCHD. So make sure you are making your transfers into whatever security. It doesn't have to be SCHD. You can pick it. The objective is to be consistent and to know that you can invest small amounts of money. I've been doing this challenge for several years. I have a playlist on my channel so that you can go and back and just see, caught up from like 2021, 22, 23. Like you can get caught up, okay? Also continue to invest for our kids. I did make an investing for kids video as well recently. Scroll back, it's in the thumbnail. And then continue to build our share sizes. Nothing too crazy, nothing out of whack or anything like that. Coming down to the bottom. Okay, so we have our notes to self. I want to set a date for the 2025 investment planner and tracker reveal. I will have a physical book that I am actually getting professionally printed. It will include the book. It will have like some freebies with it. I'm just trying to figure out when do I want to set it. I did talk to the printer and I should have all of the inventory with probably another 7 to 10 days. I will do a separate video on that. It is, when I say this book looks good, it looks good. Okay. Like I had a couple of financial people look at it. Some of my YouTube friends look at it. People in my real life, even the printer was like, girl, like you made this? Yes. 35 hours of work, 2 editors. Like, wait till y'all see this book. Okay. I have not seen anything like this. This is going to revolutionize beginner investing and tracking and just all of the thoughts and all of the stuff that my husband and I were able to achieve in these last 10 years of me and him just investing hard, being first generation millionaires. Like I show the accounts. I mean, come on, y'all, when I say y'all going to be impressed, like wait till I reveal this book. But I think I have a date in mind, but you will see me share it in my community post. Like I said, I will have a video dedicated to this. And just some other goodies. So stay tuned for that. Then money affirmation for the month of November. Of course, again, change the face of wealth. We want to create generational wealth, but that starts by making small, consistent steps. It doesn't have to be some big leap. Small, consistent. That is why, again, $10 every week into SCHD, a position I'm building from scratch in Robinhood. Okay. And then what I am watching, reading, or listening to, we are continuing our book. So I do have a book club that is embedded. That is a part of our dividend and finance group. We are meeting this Saturday. I had to reschedule last week because, of course I had the Rona. But you guys will get all of your emails tomorrow with the private links. I will send a free tracker to all of my people who signed up for it. You can sign up via the link in my description box. But a part of our group is a book club, and we are currently reading The Simple Path to Wealth. Try to read the first 4 or 5 chapters. The book is available for free on YouTube, okay, the audio book. But I know several of you have the book in your arsenal. It is a great read. J.L. Collins has several interviews on YouTube. Great, great, great guy. And I'm excited to kind of talk about how this book can, impact our investing journey. So that is pretty much it, our investing plan for the month of November. What I'm going to do is bring up Robinhood so that you can see our weekly $10 investment into SCHD. All right, so we are here. So the market is not open yet. It is still pre-market, okay? Robinhood does allow you to invest pre-market. I think it's at 7. I'm not sure if that's with the gold membership or not, but you can buy and sell securities pre-market, which is from 4:30 a.m. Eastern to, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. And then you can also buy and sell stocks after hours, which is from 4 p.m. Eastern to 8 p.m. Eastern. But now I hear the New York Stock Exchange is going to extend their trading hours. So who knows? But let me come down so you can see. We have our first full share. So let's give 2 claps. We've been doing this 3 weeks, $10 a week, and now we have our first full share of SCHD here in the Robinhood portfolio. So again, from scratch. This is to show a lot of my beginner investors, please do not just sit on the sideline and feel like you cannot do this because you don't make a lot of money. No, I am telling you, $10. I have invested $10 a week for the past couple weeks into this, and now we have our first full share, 1.05 shares. Our average cost is $28.20. Our market value is $29.84. So again, I'm excited about, our progress here. You can see the past week SCHD is down. The markets have been, kind of rocky. We have an election coming up. Is going to probably get a little bit more rocky. So long term is 5 to 7 years. Excuse me, guys, or longer. It is not a week. It is not a month. It is not a year. It is not 2 years. Long term is long term. Past month, it is up. Past 3 months, about 2.13%. Year to date, almost 12%. Past year, look at this, 25%. 5 years, 52%. And then max, almost 240%. So long term is key. Even with the dips, long term is key. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, if you want to join our dividend and finance group for this coming Saturday, link for signups is down below. Again, I will send all that out on Friday to everybody who signed up. Again, guys, let me know what you're thinking about for the month of November. Make sure you like, share, and hit that subscribe button. And until next time, y'all already know, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.